kyannaku nnyo titukyalina mubana byabufuzi atunulira abantu kye bagamba naye mwana wattu n'akivaako ye n'agenda n'ekyoyo anyigiriza abantu. I want to encourage you not to be like that, ladies and gentlemen. I want to encourage you to stand by what we believe in, by what we promise the people. Those who rule over our country are scared, very, very scared. Every time we organize like this, every time we unite like this, we are taking a step to liberation. Bino tetuli mbyabufuzi bya bulijjo basebo ne bannyabo. No, tuli ku mission ya kujjako na kyemalira na kutereza gwanga lyaffe lifuuke ekyo kye twegomba ate nga tugenda kituukako amazima ga Katonda mu. But to achieve that, we have to do these things. Number one, we have to identify the problem. Second, we have to suggest solutions to the problem. And finally, we have to take action. Ebintu bisatu tulina buli omu okwewunaganya ne twebulira ku kizibu ky'eggwanga kiriwa ne tukimanya. Bwe tumanya ekizibu ky'eggwanga kyendowooza nti step twagivaako, then ne tusala amagezi solution eri ki kye tulina okukola. Eyo nayo step twagivaako, because the solution is to get involved. Being here with the artists, with traders, with the barbers like Eddie Mutwe, with border riders, it means that all sections of Uganda understood the problem and they understood what to do, getting involved. The artists okozesa omuziki gwo talanta yo, gw'omwogezi okozesa ebigambo byo, gw'omukatale otukirira abantu, to making sure nti ffenna tumanye ekizibu. Okulwanyisa sirimu twasooka kumanya nti sirimu si ddogo. Twasooka kumanya nti sirimu akwata bwati. Bwe twamanya ne twebuza ku basawo nti okola otya, nti okola bwoti, omwewala oba oyambala akapiira oba oba mwesigwa eri munno n'ebirala. Eyo step nayo twagivaako. The next step we have to do is to take action. So friends who are joining us today, that is what we believe in, that is what we believed in, and that is what we are going to believe in all the days of our life, because that is the truth. I also want to mention to you, friends, that as you join us today, you must know that for us, we don't negotiate our freedom. We believe our freedom is God-given and constitutionally guaranteed. So we don't negotiate for our freedom. We don't beg for our freedom. We just take our freedom. In this time when the economy is in shambles where more than 80% of the young people are unemployed. 80%. We have 21 people in Uganda. 21 million people in Uganda that live on less than 7,000. Abantu obukade abiri mu kamu tebayingiza nusu kasanvu olunaku. Kitegeeza tebalya kya misana na kya ggulo. Akasanvu akatasobola nakuwa nti kyancha kamando, kya misana kamando na kya ggulo tekasobola. That is where we are. So we cannot sell out. People have trusted us and we have to live by the trust that we got. I want further to talk about those that sell out, because this is a message especially for those that are joining us. Abantu bangi nnyo batwegaseeko ne oluba okubeegatako nakubikoona. Now it is those so-called opposition people that they are using. You remember we told you that there was a mission to take away the power from you, the people, to elect a president. That mission is still ongoing and they are using opposition people. Waliwo pulani eyokukyusa okubajjako obuyinza obulonda president, kubanga Museveni twamuleega enkaka wadde yabba akalulu atya okuyingira mu field naffe. N'olw'ensonga eyo ayagala bagala kukyusa constitution, okukyusa nti parliament ebeeronda president ekyo mwakibulirako, ekyo bakyakiriko, ate nga bakozesa abo bennyini aba opposition, abo bennyini abajja nga bambadde akamyufu nganzi, abo bennyini bemwasaamu obwesige. Mukirabye olwaleero ku makya, olwaleero nga wa opposition yennyini oba yefuula wa opposition nga jagamba kakati NUP bagijjeko obuyinza obulonda leader of opposition, kubanga Museveni ayagala wambe ne parliament abeere nga yalonda ne leader of opposition. Ekyo tekibangako bwekyo mu Uganda, because Uganda has never had an opposition like this one. Tekiberangako togera Museveni abadde agulirira abantu ng'agulira aba leader of opposition paka wajja ate. So kati alemedde okututiisatiisa kuba n'okufa tetukutya, alemedde okutugulirira kuba obuswazi twajja tubulabyeko. Kakati ayagala mu buswavu kukozesa abo bayita opposition bagambe bebalonda. Mwakirabako nti twalonda abantu ne tubasindika mu commission, bwe bamala okubba ne tubagobayo. Museveni n'agamba nitamonga abo be batukolera obulungi. Museveni okuba nti ayagala okulonda leader of opposition, ayagala abo abamukolera. Mwali mulabyeko munnaffe bwe yawa n'ekirabo kya miliyoni 5 nti amwakanyiza bulungi. Kuba akafaananyi osindise leader of opposition awakanya omuntu olina agamba afe tetwagala Ssenyonyi abatuwakanya, twagala ono yabatuwakanya, yatuwakanya obulungi. Mwalabye nti twalonda abantu ne tubasindika mu committees naye ne bagamba ate musobola bajjako bano betwagala. That is where we are. So as we are here, friends, we want to remind you that for us we are in war. This is war. Luno lutalo bino bya ddala. Eno mulinye y'amagye, mulinye y'amagye. Fe wano tuwanya abantu ebitiibwa, naye ebitiibwa tubibawa okusinziira ku bikolwa byabwe. Tujja kuwa ekitiibwa muganda wange, tujja kuvimbisa, tujja kusuuta, naye bw'onootutunda tujja kulabisa. Ate bya ddala gwegenda obuzeeko gundi. Mwagala ebyo. So I always remind us, because it's necessary. It is necessary, and we must all keep each other to account. We have proposed good things for this our country. We are here today. Corruption is eating up our country, but the regime is defending the corrupt. Today you are not allowed to talk about the corrupt people. Unfortunately, they are using our brothers and sisters in uniform. Olina basente z'omuwa omusolo ate ne bakozesa baganda bafu aba poliisi okumukuuma. Nzijukira mu 2021 twaleeta proposal eyongeza abasirikale n'abapoliisi emisaala. Museveni yatya nnyo. Era olwava mu kulonda najja n'abagamba ngenda zibongeza, naye olw'enguzi tebasobola kituukiriza. So to you brothers and sisters in uniform, the offer is still standing. The lowest paid police officer under my leadership will be earning a minimum of 1 million shillings. Nga zeeyongera bweyongezi tezikendera. So kati mwaba polisi n'abali maje n'abali mu prison musaleewo munnange fetubalimu. Finally, friends, thank you. Thank you. Finally, friends, while everything is the way it is, while the nation is under attack, while your freedoms are under attack, Museveni is panicking. We have Museveni surrounded from all corners, from Europe up to Kenya. You saw him yesterday fighting with my friend Babu Owino. Museveni, you are going to face it. When you go to Tanzania, you will face the same problem. You go to America, same problem. Europe, same problem. Why? Because you are wasted. You are used and useless. Free the people. Let them be. How does it feel to you when you came talking about fundamental change and now you're saying no change? You said Africa's problems are Africa's problem are the leaders that overstay in power. You are almost 40 years in power, but you don't want to be reminded of what you say. So our way to Jako. Challenges are going to be many. Temptations are going to be many. But let us insist. Let us keep going. Let us keep bringing other people on board. Let us keep uniting. Finally, my brother, Dr. Batua. In fact, come, let me say this when I'm standing next to you. And I even have a little gift for you. This brother here is from FDC. Because people from FDC, those that are real, are fighting against the regime. They are real freedom fighters in every party, and I must insist. And there are moles in every party, including NUP. Kanchide muchino. Waliwo abantu abagala ensi yaabwe mu buli party. Mu FDC, mu DP, mu JEMA, mu NRM. Ate waliyo abali benkwe mu buli party ne mu NUP mwebali tembamanyi. Wama bentebe nimbye. Honorable Zake, tebali yeye wamwe. So I want to salute you, my brother. You called for unity. Unity is the only way we are going to defeat this dictator. It's not going to take only one party or one leader. It is going to take all of us. But we are going to unite with a purpose, with a mission. So thank you very much for being with us today. Send our regards to the brothers and sisters in FDC, especially those that didn't sell out. Tell them we are together. Tell them we invite them to join hands with us and fight the dictator. We are aware that they are trying to register their party, and we wish them well. We hope they will allow them, because they did not allow us. And I know the dictator does not allow any real freedom fighter way forward. That's how we got NUP. Our doors are open. Let's work together. Send our love to them. We are not in competition. We should be in collaboration. Thank you very much, and allow me to give you this gift. Not as a member of NUP, but as a member of People Power, because all of us are. Mukamariro Binyuma. Finally, Ngamaliza, Secretary General, let me invite you please once again. I want to send greetings and salutations to my brother Babu Owino. Comrade Babu Owino, I want you to know that Malcolm X taught us, if the enemy does not fight you, then you're not making any progress. But if they fight you, then you are under their skin. Continue irritating the dictator. Together we shall liberate East Africa and Africa. Thank you very much. Secretary General, Bangaminti, Twinayo, Akanyomera Kasembayo, Mbade Kusabo to guiding you through it.
Yeah, as they come, there's a gentleman here who has another graduation gift for you, Mr. President. Now, ladies and gentlemen, People Power, our power. Katingabe mmanyi tusimbude tukozechi? Tusimbude. Very, very beautiful picture. Pencil King. Pencil King. Yeah. Banange fanani. Such beautiful pieces of art. Yeah. Council. Kansubire ba ghetto youth mwena muli inspired. Kansubire mwena muli inspired to know that your dreams are valid. Okumanya nti anytime osobola ochikuwa nawe nobeera council nga president noyambala degree nokola byonna bene byakabi. People power. Yeah, under the guidance of the president, we decided to equip our mobilization teams. Isma, yingizao ebyakabi byaffe betugenda okuhanding over to our mobilization teams. Chairman Nyanzi Jango bere wano go head wa mobilization. Nsaba ne deputy heads wa mobilization baje wano mubere wano mabana katolo no tusimbu de band nga ebyakabi bino bwe bijja. Simple day.
Nabagambye tekako mamulia TV. Sichaja wakabala mmeka national platform. National platform. Eto sasa babaka. Ezo za national platform. Abalala mujja kukomba. Tutuka
People power. People power. Band. Yeah. Kati tubatukozeeki? Yeah, kakati, this is just a beginning. Under the guidance of our President Ngabwe Magambe, tusazeewo nti buli region ya Uganda at least efune motoka egenda kubeera ng'ekola emirimu kya people power buli kiseera. Emotoka emu egenda kukola emirimu kya Buganda, endala ekole ekya Eastern Region, Western Region, Northern Region. Full time. This is just a beginning. We shall try our best to make sure that even all other sub-regions get capacity to do this work. So, Mr. President, may you hand over the keys to these deputy secretaries for mobilization. Lindako DJ, walone eyo kuna eyingira eyo egenda kubeera wano ku headquarter eyokutaano ng'ekola emirimu kya department wano ku kitebe wennyini. So, Mr. President, if you could hand over those keys to, yeah, oh. No, so. Batugambe tukeko wansi. Naye abeeyo banaaba batulaba.
Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda, Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, standing over the electoral, the people power fund,
and mobilize the whole of Northern Uganda, open their eyes
let's go so that by the next time we have an opportunity to say them down.
President w'eggwanga akwasiza Honorable Masega wa Northern Uganda